Hello. Welcome to yet another video. Today, what we're gonna cover is gonna be super important. We're gonna be making a playlist of TradingView, my favorite tool, which helps me in an investing journey. And I decided that why not I share you with all the understanding of TradingView right from the scratch as a beginner and make it from zero to hero. And so, what we're going to cover is we will go through. Let me just share my screen. And yeah, so what we're going to cover is TradingView is an amazing platform which basically can help you not only for your trading aspect. So don't go by word trading, because it is, we as a trading, we as an investor, we want to make sure we can use best of the tools. And trading view is a tool, charting tool, but there's so many hidden features that you can uncover that can help you in long term investing. So I'm going to take you through slowly and make series of video under this playlist. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you are uh, you know coming regularly, so whatever videos coming in and at the regular interval, you will get benefited from right from the start till the you become an expert. That's my objective. So what we're going to cover: what, why, and how. What is a trading view? Why we should be using trading view? How should we use it with trading view? And with complete detailed explanation with examples. That is my objective. Eventually I want you to become complete zero to hero and master in this particular tool, because tools are something which helps you, in your journey, in journey towards this. And sometimes those tools can save you a lot of time, and that is what is important. Time is money, so you have to use the tools to help you in the journey. And trading view by far is my favorite tool and go to tool. I spend hours and hours to understand, and this platform has really helped me immensely. And I think, if even though you starting your trading, you start or you're in advanced stage, if you're not using effectively trading view, then you're probably missing out something. So first thing first, you need to, if you have not have a free account, TradingView has a free account, and you can use one of my affiliate links, sbhatia.co/tradingview. And it absolutely don't have to pay anything. It's completely free. And if you decide to upgrade, then you end up getting $30 worth of the value out of this. But you don't have to pay for anything. You can use most of the features which we'll try to cover. It's completely free. Okay, I have a pro account, but that is me. But at the end of the day, it's up to you to make the decision. But I want to share with you everything in detail. So let's get started. So what is TradingView? Let's start with it. So if you go to your website and if you type in tradingview.com, you will end up with this website, and you will see a few things. What, in very simple terms, TradingView is SaaS based charting tool. Okay, but it goes beyond charting tool, and I will try to explain you how. So it's a SaaS paid. What is SaaS? It is software as a service. So there's nothing you have to install in your local machine. Everything is available. If they make any new updates, everything is available for you to start using it straight away on the browser based. So that becomes a very nice approach in terms of having a SaaS base, that wherever you go, you're not attached to a computer. You can just simply log into a browser, log into your account, and boom, you have got all these details available as you would have done it in your own PC or your own laptop. And you can access it through mobile app, through iPad, or through your tablet or browser. So it's available. You get a same experience. So that's the beauty of this SaaS based thing. And I do have subscription to some of the offerings because of various reasons, but that is more I have to be in front of computer, and otherwise I can't use it. But TradingView provides that ability. So, and it's so cost effective, and most of it is free. So one has to make use of it. Now, you would ask me that, okay, it is a, I don't use trader, and why should I use TradingView? I'm an investor, right? First thing first, I'm also investor. It is not for, if you're not learning charts, I think you're missing something, because charts can be very, very effective in terms of long term investing. And that's what we do as part of Peaceful Weekend Investing, mixing various technical elements with the fundamental elements, and try and gauge what could be the long term trend. So it is very important that you also have that inclination towards it, because in TradingView you don't only get about charts, you also get a lot of knowledge and information about the company, and a lot of data available which you can use it. And it's also a community based platform, so with a lot of like minded people, you can follow, track it, and they share their ideas, and it can be benefit you in the journey in terms of learning. So it's a kind of collaborative platform where like-minded people come in and share their knowledge through TradingView giving platform, and I'll talk you through that process now. So let's go back to our screen and go through that. So let's quickly look at the UI. Right, one is that you can open an account by simply signing in and creating a new account through Gmail. When you click on it, you get option to sign in using either the Google, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Apple, LinkedIn, or by email. Okay, I have already an account, so I will not do that, but it's very straightforward. Now let's go back. Let's not go to features. Let's go through some of the things what I want to cover, and we'll be coming with the. This is just one of the series video, so keep in mind that there'll be plenty more coming on the way, and we'll completely make it available so that you can get benefited out of that. Okay. um, and if you have any questions, if you're joining me through Facebook or YouTube, do give a thumbs up, and also put a question so I can make a note of it if I want to cover it in this video, or probably we'll have another live session, and I'll keep on making a sequence of this playlist so you can just watch it through. Okay. So today's video could be more generic in nature, but thereafter, tomorrow onwards, we'll definitely go into detail. So first, to understand what are different products they have. So they have charts, they have screeners. Screeners can be for stocks, forex, cryptos, heat maps, and there. This is something really good. So you can basically have a heat map of performance, and you can do a lot of drilling on here. We'll cover that as well, which is a gives you a very good perspective of where the market is heading, whether it's on different parameters. And then you have got community, and in community, as you say, you have it is a where you have like-minded people sharing ideas, and editors pick up those ideas and present to you, so that you can also have a look at it what others are thinking. There's a trading ideas on various different investments which you might be interested. So there'll be educational videos which, and you can go through all of that, and I do share as well, so you can follow me. And then you can do a chart analysis on various other different types of whether it's support, resistance, trend, Fibonacci, different types of it. And if you already doing it, you will understand. Otherwise, don't get overwhelmed. But beyond technical, you also talk about trading psychology, fundamental analysis, what are different tools, what is plans, risk management, dividends, earnings, macroeconomics. There's a lot more here going on just about it. And so you can have different scripts. So we can actually write your own program, and it might be too overwhelming, but don't worry about it. We'll cover it all in this playlist as we go along in this journey. All you have to do is just stick to the playlist and continue joining in here. So you become, this will be my promise to make you zero to hero on this particular platform. So there are different scripts you can write, and then you can have research. By now they've started with snaps, so it can be quick ones. You get up in the morning, just go through the what is the snap view of the market, breaking news, some of the sparks which is there in terms of different themes they have it. Yeah, so you can see whether cannabis space, these are all kind of growth areas, futuristic areas in terms of it, metaverse, electric vehicle, cannabis space, big tech. So you can actually get a view of all of that. And then you can have by country, and recently they added as well UAE. So they keep on adding. Some of them are live, some of them are delayed with the pricing, which is just beautiful. As you can see here, you got a list of major countries and there's their stocks and listed all there. Then you got a stocks based on different types, all time high, all time low. So you can just simply click on it and you get all the stocks which are at the moment all time high. We're gonna, don't worry, I'm just going through overall so that you understand all of it. Then you got cryptos, different types of cryptos, their charts, so you can do that. Forex, you got forex for the major miners, exotics, heat maps again. Indices, you can see all the world indices in one place, which is beautiful. And futures, sorry, I'm just going to go back. Yeah, so we were here. Yeah, futures. So you can see the future market, bond, and the world economy. Okay, like for example, if I click what is the world biggest companies, there we are. So you can have the company ranking, which is large cap non-US, largest employer in the world. Okay, so you can get all those lists so in front of you by just click on button, highest revenue of the company. So you have this, as you can see here, highest revenue is done by Walmart, which is their revenue is $572 billion, right? And their market cap is around 346 billion. And currently they're sitting with the price. So you can go through Saudi Arabia, Amazon, Saudi Arabian chart. So you can see here which are the highest revenue generator one. Likewise, the highest earning, who's making biggest money? Tadawul Exchange, Saudi Arabian oil is making highest earnings. Amazon, Apple, so they're all sitting at the top of the chart in a list to for the highest earnings. So highest dividend if you're dividend investors. So you can see here there's a lot of ranking, a lot of information. Then you have sub list in terms of performance, the evaluation, the dividends, margins, and trend. So they've got lots going on here. And if you scroll, you also have a grouping semiconductor. If you want to see what are different companies which are in semiconductors, right? There's a lot of shortage. There we are. You have all the companies in the exchanges. What are the market cap on your click of the button? How cool is that, right? And that is what is very important, that you understand what the power is, right? Once you understand and use it, it can be really really beneficial. Because if you want to see what a finance, so you can go through, and it's not like, for example, if I click on finance, you can find by country logos like Macquarie Group in Australia, Kotak Mahindra Bank in India. So I'm just giving these names. Clear disclaimer: no buy and sell recommendation. I'm just sharing with you just to give you a perspective of what is TradingView. So the focus of this video and the playlist is only to learn TradingView tool for your investing journey, and my focus will be mainly for long-term investors, at least medium to long term. When I say medium to long term, I'm talking about specifically from couple of months to couple of years, right? I don't do trade trading, so I will not be able to help you on that. Neither I do a kind of a few weeks trading in terms of, so my focus is always long term. But at the same time, you can also have a swing trading which can last from couple of weeks to couple of months and sometimes years, right? So this is my view. I hope you're getting the view here. So let's look at some of the features. Okay, we'll be covering up all that. First of all, they have web app, desktop app, and tablet. Okay, and we're going to cover each of them and each of the benefits here. And you can have the charts here in such a beautiful way of, you can fully customize it. And chart, don't get overwhelmed with all the charts here. If you are learning, you can definitely benefit, but I'll try to keep things simple. Then you can have charts, multiple charts if you are using multiple monitors. Then you can have, depending on if you are a free version, you can use different um, parameters here. 12 chart types they have, up to 8 charts per tab you can put it, but you don't need it all that. You can see the replays, spreads, and so and so forth. And it's, you have to understand there's a pre-built indicators, drawing tools, volume profiles, candlestick pattern recognition, multi time frame. So all that is available here, and it's completely one of the amazing features which I like is alerts, and that's entire my model is based on these alerts. So I have set up these alerts such a way that I don't have to look for or track prices. Prices come to me, and these alerts help me on a real time basis to make my decisions. And you can also use some webhook notifications by pushing it to your Telegram channel, right? How cool is that? So when alert happens, you can send an alert to your Telegram channel, or it can even you can do all crazy stuff around that. And then you can write your own programs. In PineScript is a programming language which is being used in TradingView, and it's not difficult to learn. If you're a programmer, you can do that. But we will be learning a basic of PineScript as well in this journey. So we're going to be covering a lot of ground in terms of that. Then you can test your strategy. We will talk through about strategy. And very few can use this financial analysis of this. Obviously they also have financial data, and you blend the price with the financial data, and these stock market participant psychology is like such a powerful combination, right? And that is something which is mind blowing. And then if you want, you can connect with your paper trading platform just to test it out, so you can play around. Or you can actually do select your broker and put a trade directly from TradingView. Okay, that is amazing. And of the other benefit of this is the network. So the network of people you can be following that. And if you are not following me, you can follow that to me. I will share you my, just hold a sec. So you can follow me in Compounding Central Premium. So that's my profile, and I keep sharing a lot of ideas here. Like for example, you see a lot of ideas, specifically Bitcoin near zero, stage two. The stock is completely. I just share my view in terms of what is there, and ever since this is where it is coming through, and XGO. So I just keep coming up with my own analysis here. Let's see what's Bitcoin doing. So we had some analysis done ever since it's now moving up, which is fantastic. So all these ideas are there. So if you can follow me, so that if I share, you can also get benefited out of my education, which I share for your learning. Okay. So that's it for today. We're going to cover the next thing. We will set it up. I want you to make sure that if you have not opened an account, you need to have one account, and that way it benefits you. So just go to this link, https://sbhatia.co/tradingview, and open an account. That way you will have your own account, and then some of these settings can be saved, and you don't have to pay anything. No subscription, just free account, and that should be good. Okay, we will cover this in next video, how to set up your environment, how to set up your charts, and we will go dig deep step by step, and I will give you a complete perspective. So just to summarize today, we discussed today how to create an account in TradingView. What is TradingView? TradingView is a SaaS-based platform. Why we should use it? It is not only for short-term traders; it is for the investors as well. And that's the lenses I want to install as part of this playlist, right? Because I'm a long-term investor, and we're gonna be what all things you can do. It's a community based. It has its own so many bells and whistles in terms of which can help you. And one of my favorite tool is alerts. So we're going to go into deep of all of that in small bite-sized powerful content for help you in the journey. Okay, so wish you a great trading week ahead. And if you like this video, just give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also we will be see you next time in next video. Okay, bye bye.